Welcome to part 36. We will look at some more questions. So if you have not yet subscribed, do so. It will help you with certifications around Azure Cloud, Google Cloud, and AWS Cloud certifications. So this is the next question. This you are building a stream analytics job. It helps you with real-time analytics from the cloud to the edge. And this screen, you see these are the configuration details. It's a CSV format and UTF-8 and so on. And this is where the file is stored. So what is important is this location, ref data and date. So we are talking about path pattern. So path pattern should be this date and product CSV. Why? Because of this, you see this. Um, so this is the date. Okay, this is the date and then product CSV. This is how it is stored. And what is the date format? You see this date, this one, YYYYMMDD, this one. So these are our two answers. So this next question is on analytics pool. So basically you are taking a JSON file from, you have it in the data lake storage, and you are putting this in Synapse Apache Spark pool. This is the move you have to make. So it is saying what will we use to load the file to this table. See, since I'm seeing Apache Spark, no, so I would go for this load data by using PySpark. I would not worry about Azure Data Factory, which is an ETL product, or uh, like option C says we use transact SQL command, so that is not required. We need to use PySpark. And then A says use Synapse data flow. So this is also not required since we are talking about PySpark, and we are not talking about just the Synapse pool, but we are talking about a PySpark or a Spark cluster. So this will also not fit. So we would go with PySpark. It has libraries to support these kind of work, and if you want to maintain source data types, Python is better option. But PySpark, the advantage is you can use variety of formats. Our answer is option D, load data by using PySpark. This next question, there is a lot of data getting stored. So for first week they say we want frequent access, so we should use hot tire. Then after a month they say my data should be accessible within 30 seconds, but it is accessed infrequently, so I would use cool tire. And third says it is accessed infrequently, but whenever we access it should come in 5 minutes. So we would have chosen archive, but then since there is this 5 minute requirement, I would be choosing cool, because here archive, it just says archive, it is not saying archive fast retrieval or any of those sorts. So here you have hot tire, cool tire, cold tire, archive tire. So you can pause it, you can read it, and cold tire is like 90 days and cool tire 30 days. archive like minimum 180 days. So this would be our final answer. Subscribe and help yourself clear certifications, whether it is Azure or AWS or Google. So this brings us to the end of part 36. There are videos which are accessible by members. You can join and become a cloud kernel or cloud ninja member and access those. Those are important to clear the certification.